Good day, everyone. Mabuhay. We are the Group 1 from FP1 HTM105. Today, we will perform a Zumba dance. So, Zumba is more than just a workout. It's a fun and energetic way to stay healthy. By doing Zumba regularly, we improve our heart health, burn calories, and strengthen our bodies while enjoying lively music and dance. It also helps reduce stress, boost our mood, and increase our energy, making exercise something we can actually look forward to.
In addition, Zumba is for everyone regardless of age or skill level. It creates a positive and supportive environment where can people move, connect, and have fun together. With its many physical and mental benefits, doing Zumba regularly is a simple yet powerful way to live a healthier and happier life.
Let's go!
All the ladies on the dance floor, come do the step to do some wanting more. All you gotta do is shake it. Ay, 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 so sexy. Just keep the guys going wild. Everybody,
Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move all around. Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move to the ground. Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move all around.
everybody.
Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move to the ground.
Stay the simple like a cha-cha. Anyway, much better than the salsa. Cause all you gotta do is shake it. Round and round, here we go.
Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move all around. Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move to the ground. Shake it, you can move, shake it, you can move, you can move to the ground.
Kanina pa kita pinagmamasdan, bawat galaw sa saliw ng awit tinitingnan. Ang bewang mong gumigiling aking sinusundan, kahit saan man makarating ay aking sasabayan.
Bakit di ka lumapit sa'kin at hawakan mo ang aking kamay? Huwag mahiya, sige subukan mo. Ang lalaki na siyang pinapangarap ko. Yakap at makasayaw sa tabahan ko. Tara! Baile, 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 baile. Baile, walang ibang kasali. Baile, 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 baile. Di walang katapusan, walang finale. Yan na huwag kang madyajahe. Huwag kang mabilis sa para kang lalaki. Huwag ka nang mag-iinate. Sayang ang iyong gandang lalaki. Sige na.
Kahit patay-sindi ang ilaw, hindi kukurap. Basta ikaw ang aking kaparehat kaharap.
Ang iyong mga mata na para bang nag-uusap. At sinasabing kitagal mo nang naghahanap.
Ang isang babae na walang iba kundi ikaw. Ang may kembot ay hindi sunog, hindi ilaw.
Dami ng agis ng init, huwag na huwag kang bibitaw. Ang nais ko